Every day, millions of people use plastic for just a few minutes. A plastic bottle, a plastic bag, a plastic straw. But these plastics stay on Earth for hundreds of years. Single-use plastics are one of the biggest environmental problems today. They pollute our oceans, harm animals, and damage ecosystems. What we use for minutes can affect the planet for generations. Our project focuses on sustainable consumption and reducing single-use plastics. We aim to raise awareness about how small daily choices can create a big environmental impact. By understanding the problem, we can start changing our habits. Using reusable bottles, bags, and containers can significantly reduce plastic waste. If millions of people make small changes, the impact can be huge. The Earth is not just our home. It is the home of future generations. Protecting it starts with our choices today. Choose sustainability. Choose the Earth.